A healthy skin reflects how healthy you are on the inside. So what can you do to get glowing skin? We all know we should eat healthy, exercise regularly, distress, and of course, follow a regular skincare routine. You need to eat the right balance of foods to feed your skin the vital nutrients. Here's a list of 8 foods for glowing skin which will make you feel beautiful like never before. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric kills the harmful bacteria inside and outside your body. Curcumin is the main phytonutrient responsible for turmeric's antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties. You can consume washed and peeled raw turmeric first thing in the morning or while going to bed with a glass of milk. You will see visible results in just 1 week's time. Number 2. Carrots. Carrots are a powerhouse for glowing skin due to a large amount of beta-carotene that helps prevent the degeneration of cells, slows aging, and makes your skin glow. The vitamin A found in carrot juice also helps keep body tissue, eyes, bones, and teeth healthy. Carrots also have a large amount of vitamin C, which promotes collagen growth, reduces acne, and dark spots. Boost your beauty by slurping on a glass of carrot juice or add it to your salads. Number 3. Lemons. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, vitamin B, and phosphorus, an amazing food to make your skin glow. The natural acids of lemon gently remove dead skin cells and lighten age spots. Lemon cleans the pores without stripping the skin of its natural oil balance since it contains citric acid in high amounts. Number 4. Yogurt. Yogurt and buttermilk contains probiotics that help in digestion, absorption, and excretion. When your digestion is smooth and you have no gut problems, your skin will be less prone to breakouts, dryness, and infections. Consume yogurt every day after lunch, with dinner, and in shakes and smoothies. Number 5. Avocado. Avocado is the perfect superfood for the skin. It is rich in vitamin E and healthy fats. The healthy fats lower the inflammation, and vitamin E acts as an antioxidant. Avocados help slow down skin damage, lock moisture, and prevent premature wrinkling, acne, and dullness. Easy ways to include them in your diet is to add them to your breakfast bowl, sandwiches, salads, dipping sauce, etc. Number 6. Blueberries. Antioxidants are one of the most important factors in maintaining beautiful skin, and eating blueberries is one of the easiest ways to get them. Antioxidants help fight and neutralize free radicals, one of the skin's worst enemies, which are known to damage skin cells and collagen, causing wrinkles, dry skin, and a host of other aging skin factors. Blueberries are also full of vitamin A, which helps normalize oil levels in your skin and is very helpful in naturally clearing up acne-prone skin. Number 7. Dark green leafy vegetables. When it comes to skin health, dark leafy greens take the front seat. Loaded with antioxidants and essential vitamins and nutrients, dark green leafy vegetables such as spinach, Swiss chard, radish leaves, mustard leaves, lettuce, coriander, parsley, broccoli, and arugula help rid your skin of dullness and enhance its glow. You can add them to salad, soups, sandwiches, wraps, dal, etc. Number 8. Beetroot. This pink-colored fruit comes loaded with vitamins and minerals which make you glow instantaneously. Its anti-inflammatory property prevents outbursts of acne and pimples. Just applying beetroot juice as a face mask gives your complexion a pinkish tinge and a radiant look. If you include beetroot as a part of your skincare routine, you'll note that all the dark spots and blemishes will disappear in 5 weeks or so, especially due to the iron, potassium, niacin, copper, and vitamin C content. You can also drink a glass of beetroot juice to purify the blood from within and cleanse the toxins, leaving you with a healthy glow on your face.